Alright, this is the second day, third day actually, but people are out shoveling the streets now. A neighbor who's apparently a minister has plowed the street with his snowblower and plowed us out. Took a lot of snow out from behind us. He's across the street. That's him over there, the minister. He's doing our neighbor's driveway some more for him, even though he's not home. But he plowed the whole street here. And some guys over there are shoveling. Unbelievable. No plow came down the street yet. Guess we gotta do it on our own. Trying to get my car out, Jen and Jerry whacked Jen in the cheek with the shovel. But hope we get out today. Well, we will.